This is how you fix your dual exports inside After Effects. So I've got my clip on the timeline here, then I go up to composition and we go to add to media encoder queue. Once your clip's added to the queue, it should appear here. And we've sort of got 3 clickables here. So I'm going to go to the H.264 to open it up, go to effects. And this is the most important step, basically selecting this Lumetri LUT here, and then we're going to load QT gamma. And this basically compensates the saturation that's lost. If we untick the Lumetri LUT, you'll see that it's washed out. And if we tick it, it's juicy, it's retaining that information. I'll put a link to the LUT in the description. We also want to make sure use maximum render quality is on as well. And that's pretty much it for the effects tab. On the video tab, because we're working in a 4K timeline, go down to the bitrate settings, and on bitrate encoding, you want it on 2pass. Target bitrate 40, maximum bitrate 40. Some people do 1460, I just do 4040. I like to keep everything consistent when it comes to video. Click OK, and then we're going to go to the output file here. I have a dedicated VFX folder that I save all my exports to. Name the clip, save, click play to render it out, and then cross-reference it with our Adobe clip. Look at that, the colors are the same, wonderful. If you found this tutorial helpful and a bit too easy, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.